Sunday, July 9th, about 6 a.m. Camped over here at Pierce Pond and tented last night. I slept so good. Pine needle floor. Yeah, it was wonderful. But we are walking over to Tim's camp. He puts on a breakfast for hikers, and he starts serving coffee here in just a little bit. So it's about 3/10 of a mile walk over there to his camp. So we're headed that way now. All right, we just got up to Tim's, got some coffee, and watching the waterfall, sitting out on the porch, drinking some coffee. What do you say, Cookie? You ready for breakfast?
Oh man, born ready.
All right, we just finished up our breakfast up there at Tim's camp up there. We finished off all 12 of our pancakes, our sausage and eggs, and there were some Sobos there. Didn't quite finish theirs, so we finished theirs for them. They'll get there. But now we are hiking the 4 miles to the Kennebec River, where we're gonna take the canoe over the Kennebec. So I'll show you that when we get there. Nice. All right, we made it to the Kennebec River, and this is how you get across that canoe right there. So we got a couple people in front of us, so we're just gonna post up and wait our turn. Me and Cookie just hanging out, waiting our turn. We're up next.
Waiting for the boat ride.
Waiting for the boat. All right, successfully made it across the Kennebec, and I got to row, so I didn't get to film. But that was fun. All right, so this is Maggie the dog, and that's the ferry boat person's dog. Yeah. Yes. And this is a camp. What? Say the name of the camp.
Camp Wallace.
All right, and what are you guys doing?
200 miles of the AT.
Awesome.
In 22 days.
And you're choosing to do this, right? For your
Yes.
time?
Planning to do this.
All right, and what's the longest you guys went without a shower?
14 days.
Woo! But you swim just about every day.
Yeah. As much as we can.
And have you had fun?
Yes. So much fun.
Awesome. Anything else you want to say?
Subscribe.
Heck yeah, I love it. Let's go. All right, we are just outside of Caratunk. We just called the Sterling Inn, and they're going to come and pick us up here at this building. So I'll show it to you when we get there.
Well, in theory, there's enough time.
Yeah, I getting picked up at 10 p.m. with a flashlight and all. Yeah, 15.
All right, just got picked up. We're here at the Sterling Inn. They've got a resupply here, and you can also stay. They've got a bunkhouse and private rooms as well. Main Staples. Let's go. Let's go. We had this exact stove growing up. It was a Yodel, but ours was green. We had this exact one, and it had this pattern on the side. All right, hanging out at Sterling Inn. I'm just on the front porch right now in this awesome little chair. Had my shower, did my laundry, getting ready to do a resupply, just waiting on the store to open back up. And then we are going to go to a pub and get some grub. Let's go.
So it was.
All right, we've been hanging out at the Northwest Outdoors.
Oh.
Is that where we are?
As
Yeah.
likely as anywhere else.
All right. I had a couple beverages, got some food, waiting on our shuttle, gonna go back to our place. That's what's up.